Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi on Roblox. Start by creating a base part for the rice, then model fish and toppings as separate parts. Attach parts with weld constraints to keep pieces together during movement. Add a click detector and a local script to handle serving interactions and animations. Test frequently in play mode and refine collision, visuals, and sound effects to make the sushi feel satisfying and interactive. Model the rice as a rounded rectangle and use thin parts for fish slices, keeping geometry simple for fast performance. Combine parts into a single model and set meaningful names for organization. Use surface appearance or decals for color and texture to avoid heavy meshes. Parent assets to server storage until ready, and create variants for nigiri, maki, and tamaki. This makes it easy to spawn different sushi types during gameplay. Create a local script to detect clicks and fire a remote event to the server to validate orders and deduct currency. Use tween service on server-controlled parts to animate sushi being served or tossed, and play short sound effects for feedback. Keep recipe data in a module script so you can adjust ingredients, prices, and crafting times without rewriting code. Always validate purchases server-side to prevent exploiters manipulating currency or inventory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.